Hi everybody, I'm John Lincoln with Ignite Visibility, and today I'm going to talk to you about what a channel is in digital marketing, and we'll talk a little bit of strategy around that as well. Let's dive into it. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so that you can get more videos like this in the future. Okay, so first let's define a channel. So these are high-level online traffic categories, generally through the web and digital marketing, that indicate how people find your website. And a common channel would be direct, organic, social, email, affiliates, paid search, or other advertising or display. So what do you need to know about channels? Well, there's quite a bit. Let me tell you a little bit about it. First thing that I think is really interesting is Google Analytics has benchmarks for website sizes, website industries, and all of the channel traffic levels within your industry. You can find that within the Google Analytics benchmark report. And what I love about that is you can see where you are versus your competitors. Another interesting thing is all channels generally have a conversion rate associated with them within an industry. So you might be able to figure out, and we know at our company, what a general conversion rate would look like for a channel such as social, such as email marketing, which generally falls between 0.5% and 5%. As a rule of thumb, you really want your conversion rates to be 1% or more. And if you have really good quality traffic, sometimes those conversion rates can go up quite a bit, 10%, 20%, 30% on an isolated landing page. So let's talk about the different channels just a little bit, okay? Direct. This is somebody who's going directly to your website. Organic. This is somebody who's done a search in Google. They didn't click on an ad, but they clicked on your website listing inside of Google. Social. This is somebody who's come from a social media site and gone directly to your website. Email marketing. This is somebody who has clicked on an email and come to your website. Affiliates. An affiliate is somebody who you pay as part of a program to drive traffic and revenue to your website. Affiliate marketing is a very, very big digital marketing channel online. I have run quite a few affiliate marketing programs myself, and I've been an affiliate myself. The key is to find quality affiliates and pay them really well. Paid search. This is when you're paying per click in an advertising network and somebody's coming in to your website. I hope you enjoyed learning a little bit about the different channels today. At Ignite Visibility, we have a specific media mix channel benchmarking and forecasting tool that we love called Certainty Tech. So know quite a bit about this one. If you have any questions, leave them below. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.